Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone showing charging but battery percentage not increasing. If you're using any iPhone, you're facing the issue that your iPhone is showing charging option but your iPhone battery percentage is not increasing. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to simply open your settings here and in settings, go to general, go to software update, and you have to try to update your software because sometimes it might be an issue due to your pending software updates. So you have to try to update your software. So once you have updated your software, go back, go to battery section here, then go to charging, and here you just have to make sure that your optimized battery charging is enabled. If it's not enabled, you have to try to enable it, or if it's already enabled, just try to disable and then enable it again up to 5 to 10 seconds later. So once I have done, just simply go back and you have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone after enabling or disabling your optimized battery charging. So here, just do that. You just have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to check that your iPhone adapter or your iPhone charging cable is not physically damaged. So you have to try to change your battery, iPhone charging adapter, and then you have to try to change your iPhone charging cable to check if your iPhone adapter cable is not damaged. So if someone or changing of some your battery adapter or your charging cable fix your issue, so you have to try to change your charging adapter or cable, or you can also go to your settings here and try to make a reset into your iPhone's settings or your whole iPhone. So go to general here, then go to transfer reset iPhone, select erase all content and settings, and you just have to try to continue with erasing the whole your iPhone. Sometimes it might be that there will be any bug into your iPhone, so it might have these type errors. Or you can also try to check your iPhone's charging port if it's physically damaged or not. Or you can also try to clean your charging port to check if the issue persists or not. Or if you don't want to erase your iPhone, so you can try a simple fix. You have to go to your Apple Store app. You can easily install it from App Store, or you can use Apple Store app. Here, just select iPhone, then select this more option, and here you have to look for charging or battery life. So I'm gonna select charging here. Here, select this get more help, then tap on call this. After that, you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.